안녕하세요. 저는 Omega입니다. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Michigan. In 2008, I graduated from Grand Valley State University with a Bachelor's of Arts in Social Studies, and I am a certified secondary education social studies teacher. I can actually teach 5 different subjects of social studies. And though I am not an English teacher, I'm not certified in English, I have English experience because I taught English in Korea in 2009 and 2010. After I returned from Korea, I actually went back to school for my master's in education with a master's in adult and higher education, and I'll graduate with that in August of 2012. In 2009, like I said, I went to Korea for the first time and taught English, and I taught 11 through 16-year-olds at a Hagwon, and it was really one of the best experiences of my life. My students gave me a positive teaching experience, and my coworkers are some people that I still, talk to today. I still keep in touch with them even though we're halfway around the world. And really my time in Korea was extremely positive and welcoming, and the people were kind and wonderful, and the culture was something new, but something that really grew on me and something that I came to love. Korea in general became something that I really love and I really miss. So I really would like to return. I think that Korea helped me to become the teacher that I am today, and the lifestyle of Korea and the people that live there, they hang on my heart. So I would really like to go back and make sure that I do another great year in Korea teaching. Another great thing about me is that because I did my first year of teaching straight out of school in Korea, I really think that it has molded who I am as a teacher. The way that I operate a classroom is sometimes it's really different from a lot of other people. I believe that education is a journey that you take with a student, that you have to make sure that your students don't feel fearful in your classroom. I try to make sure that my classroom is an environment of safety, that's welcoming, and someplace where they can feel, excited to be every day. I know that especially when you're teaching older students, it can be very difficult because they are tired and they have a lot on their plate, and sometimes they just don't want to work. So I try to make sure that I am a creative and enthusiastic teacher, one that, does a lot of games, keeps them on their toes, but is also really kind and nice and is clearly excited to be there with them. So I also think that my teaching in an English school and teaching English instead of just social studies helps me to understand the learning experience in a new way, especially when you're learning a new language like English or Korean, that you have a certain wall that you hit with students. They can become really frustrated and frightened with learning new things, having to try out new words and a new syntax, maybe a new grammar, and that can be really difficult for them, and they might shut down. So when you're teaching in an English setting, it's really important that you make sure that they understand where they're coming from and that you're not there to judge them. And so I make sure that I tell my students, I've learned other languages, or, I am learning other languages. I learned Spanish for 6 years, and I am taking Korean right now. And so I really do understand where they're coming from. So even though they're frustrated, it is something that we're doing together. And I'm not there to judge them. I'm not there to make them feel bad about their mistakes. I'm there to help them learn. And I really think that helps me as a teacher. Being creative and being kind, I think it makes my school environment more positive, and my students really want to come to my classroom and connect with me. So I really hope that you find me to be a good fit for your school, and that we'll see each other soon. 안녕히 가세요.